y'all. So I made a video today and a TikTok, but the TikTok got me drunk because I kept messing up and I had to keep on redoing it. And I'm like, so your girl's messed up. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make me some food. I made some chicken bites, I should say, chicken bites, and then I put this on it, and it tastes so good. All I gotta do is warm that up and see. My dog's looking at me like I'm tripping. I'm gonna have to make some mac and cheese and some mashed potatoes, and then I gotta warm the meat up, and then I'm good to go. And while I make that, I'm gonna have this with some Ritz crackers, and it's gonna be over. I was eating some Ritz with some cheese, so my taste buds might be a little out of whack right now, but I'm going to try it. I am not a fan. It's not bad though, but let's see how it all tastes together. I have a little bit of each on it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Maybe it's just a drunk person talking. Good regardless. So I'm finally opening this right now. And it's like so cute. It has chocolate, the lovely wine, some glasses for it. The thing is, it has like a little heart at the bottom. Good morning. Hey guys, so your girl is craving the chili cheese tots. I knew this would happen because it was so good, but I really want the chili cheese tots with some ranch. I know I shouldn't. I know for a fact I should not do it. I even talked to my fiance about it when he had called. He says to cook something, whatever, and I can, but I don't want to because I'm craving something else. I worked out really good. It was great. I did leg day yesterday. I don't know. The chili cheese tots are speaking to me. I'm thinking I could just go real quick, eat in the car, talk to you guys for a little bit. I kind of want to bring my dog just so he's not here for like 10 minutes alone. I'm gonna go get it. I like to get out anyways. I like to drive. I don't drive like that anymore because there's not a lot of places to go. So I'm gonna just do it. It's 70 degrees in this house, but it feels like it's 65 or something. It's so cold. Like I feel like a little bit of the air coming in from the windows. Today I wanted to do laundry because I washed clothes. I just need to fold it and put it up. Ignore my hair, I need to do it, but I'm just going out real quick to go get the food and coming right back. So I don't really need to get ready. I put leggings on. It's just real quick. I connect the seatbelt to the harness. Round 2 with my boy. I have Blue in here with me, so he's gonna be crying because he wants to get out. This time I only got the chili cheese tots, but I got it large instead of small. And I got the ranch, of course. You already know. Just ignore Blue in the background. He's fine. It's hella cold. Like, why? For some reason, it feels a lot colder inside my house, though. Look at that. Yes. I'm so excited. Oh. Today I was thinking I should probably post 3 times a week. So instead of just Tuesdays and Saturdays, I want to do Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. If it becomes too much though, I want to go back to 2 days a week, which is Tuesdays and Saturdays. But hopefully I could stick doing 3 times a week, because why not, right? That person's just staring at me. I like to drive. This just gives me an excuse to drive. This is a lot of calories. I'm trying to eat healthier and work out and stuff, so this isn't healthy at all, but it's okay because I'm going to work it out today. I've been doing good with sticking to my Monday through Friday. I only missed like 1 day, 2 days technically if I want to count since I started, but I was really tired though. I have his harness on and he's attached to the seatbelt. Safety first. I ate half and the other half I'm about to eat right now. I'm starting to get full already, so oh. I'm so hungry though. I have to do my taxes today. You know, the fun stuff. I've been putting that off for a cool minute, but I have to get it done. Today I'm just going to be doing house things, so I like to watch vlogs when people vlog, but not everybody is that way, so that's why I have, you know, vlogs for some days when I post and regular videos for the other days. Well, I'm going to finish eating this and then I'll take you along with me when I'm cleaning up the house and all that, so stay tuned. One thing about eating unhealthy is every time after eating it, it makes me feel like lazy, out of breath when I move too much. Like, it's just sluggish. So why crave that stuff? I don't get it. So annoying. I just feel so tired. I'm over here playing with my dog and I get tired fast, like winded. I think after that meal, I'm not gonna get it no more. I'm gonna stick to my guns, be healthy, and do better, because why not? I love myself. I need to treat myself right. Feed my body what it's supposed to be eating. Less junk, more healthy stuff. I'm still gonna eat junk, don't get me wrong. I'm just not gonna get food from, you know, other places unless like I need to, because I'm out already and I need to eat, because, you know, I'm not gonna starve myself. He likes his new toy. I finally gave him one of his other new toys that I had hidden away. I was going to take it with me to the car so he could have something to chew on while I'm in the car, but I forgot it. And I remembered when I was downstairs already, so I'm like, forget it. You don't need it. I'm about to take all the sheets off our bed and wash it. I'm going to get our clothes ready to get washed after and do the laundry that I already did. So I gotta fold things. I need to hang up stuff. Do all that. And you guys are gonna be along for the journey. Yay. Wanna see him? Enjoying your toy? He's gonna play with them. I think something is in somebody's eye.